Okay guys, welcome back to the Yardspeed 13 channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Tegiwa 70mm single exit catback exhaust for the Honda Civic FN2. There's not a lot to see, so I'll try and keep this video short and sweet. And if you guys got any questions or comments, please leave them below and I'll do my best to get back to you. So without further ado, let's have a quick look at the pipes that came in the box. Okay, my little picnic blanket in the garage right here. So essentially what do you get? Well, you get two pieces of stainless steel pipe. I couldn't tell you what quality of stainless steel it is because I don't know. In the box you get your fitting kit, which includes your two gaskets, the 5 bolts, 5 washers, 5 nuts. So that's pretty self-explanatory. Talking of self-explanatory, you don't get any instructions, but as you can see, you know, it's a pretty straightforward design. You've got your rear section and your exit here, back box, and then obviously you've got your center section with a resonator. Now that's quite important to me because I want this to be a track friendly exhaust. I'm not interested in having something real ASBO because it's just not my thing. So yeah, let's take a closer look at these and see what you guys think. Okay, this is the flange that connects to the 4-to-1 manifold, and we'll just walk through the exhaust and have a look at the welds. I'll try and put up some close-ups as well. The weld down there on the hanger. Moving along the pipe a little bit. The resonator weld. Get some half-decent focus. So resonator, not too bad. Going down 70mm. Weld onto the plate that goes onto the back section. They don't look too bad. Pretty good, I'm happy with these. I mean, that one doesn't look too clever, does it? If I'm honest. And that's probably the one that you'll have to bend as well. Overall though, pretty impressed. It's alright. It's pretty decent. Just quickly flipped it over so we can have a look at the other side. Again, overall quality's not too bad. No, it's alright. That's a decent weld. Certainly looks it. So this is the other side and the underneath of the resonated section. Not bad. And here's the other end. Again, not too bad. Looks like it's slightly necks down here, but that might just be the weld. Yeah, the focus will do its thing. Bracket doesn't look too bad. If we can keep things in the shot. Not too bad either. So there you have it, chaps and lasses. It's a Tegiwa Honda FN2 70mm exhaust system. Yeah, verdict's out on how it will sound. Looking forward to getting it on the car. And yeah, there'll be a video posted up shortly when that is done. So in the meantime, guys, any questions, pop in the comments below. We'll always try and answer any reasonable comments that people ask, or unreasonable, I don't know, whatever you want. So yeah, with that being said, I will see you in the next video. See you later.